In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to send a Excel spreadsheet file, alright, on Teams, okay, using the mobile version on your iPhone. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to locate the Teams mobile app on your iPhone, alright? So here's see mine here, so I'll tap on the Teams. As the app opens, you may be on the chat page depending on the tab you were before you close the app when you were using it before now, all right? So, or you may find yourself in community or calendar or activity. Just tap on the chat to be on the chat tab, all right, or page. Anyone is okay. You can call it chat tab, you can call it chat page, all right? So now the next step you need to take is to tap on the contact you want to send the Excel spreadsheet file to, okay? So here, let me send to Mr. Nelly Roberts. So I'll tap on the contact. As this page opens, you have to take a few steps, okay? The first step you need to take is to tap on the plus sign at the left margin, all right? Bottom left margin. So tap on that plus sign. This provides you with some icons, and one of them is attach. So tap on attach. This will open a location on your iPhone, all right? So you may find yourself in browse or you may find yourself in recent. So depending on where you find yourself, I advise you select browse. Okay, so when you select browse, this will show you some locations on your iPhone that may contain the file you want to upload to the contact. All right, so here let me select on my iPhone location, so I'll tap on it. Then this opens a new page. Okay, then you have to navigate to the Excel file you want to send to the person. Okay, in this case I want to pick one of the Excel files that is saved in the Excel folder because I have a Excel mobile app here, so I believe some Excel files are saved in the Excel folder. All right, so I will tap on it and this displays some things, all right, including Excel file and some other pictures I put in here. All right, so look at this YouTube earnings. It's an Excel spreadsheet file, so I will tap on it. So hold on. All right, you can see the file has been placed in the conversation section. All right, so you have to wait to make sure it has been placed because it will take time to prepare. And the last step you need to take is to tap on the send icon, which is the arrow that points towards the right. And with this has been sent to Mr. Nelly, so he will get it from his end. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech tutorials, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Please, okay? You can watch this video here to learn how to use Microsoft Teams mobile app in detail. Thank you and see you some other time.